First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Google. Then tap All Services. Scroll down and tap Devices. Turn off the option that allows your phone to continuously scan for nearby devices. This feature regularly searches for nearby Bluetooth devices, even when you are not connecting to anything, which can use extra battery power. Next, go back to the main settings page. Tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Manage Your Data. Turn off the permission if you don't use digital well-being features. This feature tracks your phone usage in the background, and disabling it may reduce unnecessary background activity. Now return to the main settings page. Tap Notifications and Status Bar. Then select Manage Notifications. Scroll down, review the list of apps. Turn off notifications for apps you don't need to hear from. Finally, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Battery. If your phone supports it, tap Battery Optimization. Then select Balance Mode. With this feature enabled, your phone will pause charging after reaching 100% and resume charging only when the battery drops, helping reduce battery wear during long charging sessions. That's it. These are some useful Android settings you can change to improve battery life and help your phone run more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.